Hey, this is Rashad David, Junk Car Buying Academy USA. We are a premier junk car buying business, and we also consult business owners about their business in the junk car buying business and how we can educate you guys on how to break down parts, how to get more money per vehicle, catalytic converters, batteries, and wheels, and educate you guys on the best strategy to make you more money in this down economy when it comes to the price of metal. Local junkyards are not paying very much cost per 100 pounds or either flat rate, right? So you have to divide your time and say, hey, if you guys are paying me only $200 or $200, $50 per vehicle, and I'm selling you guys this whole car with the catalytic converter, and you guys are out there busting your ass paying $150 to $250 per car, you don't want to make $100 per car. You want to make $600, $700 per car. But let me educate you guys on how to break the car down when it comes to the catalytic converter, the batteries, the wheels, and who to sell to. Even if your local junkyard prices are down, I want to show you how you can still maximize on everything you do junk cars. If you want to know more, please tap in, hit that link below, or either give me a call personally. Let's set up a date and time, and let me educate you guys or consult you on your business and how we can make you more money. The number is 770-203-6613. I'm not going to cut that out because, hey, everybody makes mistakes out here, right? 770-203-6613. Let me just give you guys a walkthrough of what we're working with right here. I don't have to sell every vehicle I buy to the local junkyard because I am the local junkyard. So I understand you guys' struggle and what it means to get out here, buy vehicles, and hold it at all costs until the market goes up or it just fluctuates. Currently, right now, the price of metal is probably at $6 to maybe $8 per 100 pounds. If you're getting more than that, hey, kudos to you. But if you're not, let me show you how you can get out here and make more money. Hey, just cameraman, just give them a view of what we're working with over here. Give them an area view. We have roughly over 450 cars sitting at this one lot space. And we have several, right? We just know how to maximize on everything we do, how to hold, how to take certain parts off, how to sell. We break down everything and teach you guys on how to maximize on everything you have. Please tap in, hit the link below, or give us a call, 770-203-6613, or David, JCB Academy USA, signing out.